In this video I will talk about print function of Python. So let's start. So we know that we can just use print function to just create, for example, hello world text like this. So if we can just print several variables, like this, it will be separated by the space. So several variables will be printed separated by the space. We can just redefine the separator by using this keyword. Sep is equal to the, for example, separating by the comma. Okay, it will be like this. Or for example, we have the hour is like minute is the second is like 4, and we can just print separating by the columns. Yes? Each minute second and sep equal to the column like this. Okay, then in case of the, for example, here we need that we see that this print function will like print each like print statement will print the for starting from the new line. Yes, but sometimes we need to just print it in the one line. In this case, in the first print, we need to just redefine the argument like end argument. Yes, it will be like this. For example, so end argument is by default it is like a new line symbol, but here it is we will redefine it like as a white space like this. So we will so these two lines will two like print statement will print in this case in one line.